Alright lads, so I've taken the stock muffler off. Here it is. It's actually really heavy. It's really dirty. How about that? Anyway, so what I have is this homemade kind of muffler. This is how it sounds. And it's kind of like... It's not like... I'm not really going to explain it because it's taking me ages. But if you do want to know more, just let me know, because I might make a video about it. Anyway, so this is pretty much to see how it sounds. To be honest, it sounds exactly how it did before. It's probably a couple percent quieter. Like I really like it, to be honest, how it looks. If only it came out a bit further and that here, it'd be pretty insane. But yeah, this is pretty much how it sounds. In terms of me uploading, this is going to be a quick one. Oh, you have to take my hair. How about that? Anyway, this is just going to be a quick one. I can't really upload that often because I'm in year 12 and I've got trials pretty much next week. They start next week, so it's gonna be pretty bad. But I just thought I'd make this quick video, let you know what's happening. I'm still alive, believe it or not, and still making some nice shitty mods like this for a bit of fun. So I might even give it a quick rev if you want. I'll just pop you up here, see how it sounds. It'll sound exactly, I don't know, how it did before. Lovely. I didn't realize that my neighbor was there. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. Hope you kind of like this new kind of, I don't know, thing I made. I don't know if I would do it again, to be honest. But anyway, so I'm just gonna wash my hands and go get sorted. So see you later.